I thought I'd give you my 2 cents on the Kyle Rittenhouse situation. Prosecution did a terrible job. Not that I wanted the prosecution to win or anything, but they did a pretty bad job. They asked him the same question over and over again. You knew from the get-go if they were going to continue to ask questions like that, there wouldn't have been a problem, man. There wasn't a problem. They asked him why he was running away from a fire. Should he have ran towards it? Sure. Why not? He tried to bring up the fact that he didn't have a driver's license in a case about him shooting somebody. But he didn't have it at the time. Now he does. I mean, you gotta understand something. He's not completely in the right. At the same time, you gotta understand he's defending himself, you know? So, gotta get off that dude's back. I'm telling you right now. That is about Kyle. He didn't even have to fight for himself today. Prosecution fought for him. I believe that. I know I got so many people mad right now, you know, just typing away. And the only reason that this made national news is because it was during a BLM protest. If it was, you know, just normal shooting, it would make the news. Local news wouldn't be that big of a deal. But they said he threatened people, this and that. He didn't.